Good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there? Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors, and just a quick update of what we got going on here in Irvine, California. This is day 5 for us. I believe we started Tuesday or Wednesday. Worked 3 days, came in on Saturday, did a little bit of work. Didn't come yesterday, so I believe this is our 5th day here. So let me turn this thing around and kind of show you guys what we got going on. So we're going to take you in through the garage, and we'll go from there. So we ain't done much to this floor yet here on the bottom. They did have this area right here that came out. We removed that, and we're going to do a quick repair there and just pretty much lace everything in, make that look really, really nice. Got our risers up here. Haven't put the stair treads yet. Risers are on for the most part. We're missing 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut. Got them down. Haven't done the landings yet, but working on it. Still early today, but here we go. We got our nosing installed. I know this is kind of covered, but let me show you guys real quick. See how we kind of tied in everything right there. We did that at every corner up here in this hallway. Pick this up. So it looks really, really nice. We got everything covered here, but let's see. Got the wood going this way. Things very nicely installed. I was doing carpet here, so that's where we stopped. We just take you to the master bedroom. Here is our master bedroom. Excuse the mess. Everything's nicely installed. And right now we're currently working on the closets. So, got one, that's what we're tying in, doing the install there. And here's the second closet. So, go ahead and turn this thing around. So the goal is today just to get these closets in, get all those risers in, measure up the treads, make sure they're good to go. And next week, so we're only doing today here this week. And then next week, they're going to paint everything in this whole house, everything like that. Next week, we're going to be sanding everything upstairs and downstairs. So can't wait to see how it looks. Looks so pretty good so far. Pretty impressed. Everything looks great. So do another video update in a couple days. Everybody have a great day.